Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2016 Jeep Cherokee and I will show you how to change the vehicle's displayed language. So this will apply to this screen on the instrument cluster and to the main screen on the dashboard. Also it will this video should apply to Cherokees made from 2014 all the way up to 2023, but only for Cherokees with this small screen. If you have a higher trim and a big screen, it should be similar, but you will have to find the option in your settings menu. Also, if this video is helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. First, you want to press the settings here on the dashboard, and then you will select the display on the top, and here you will get language options. Select the language option. You can choose between English, French, or Spanish. So if I select French, you will see everything is on French here, and everything will be on the French on this menu here as well. And I believe the voice assist will be on French as well, but I will go back to English because unfortunately I don't speak French. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching my video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.